Welcome to Sobha Hartland 2. This is a 5-bedroom villa. It is 8,500 square feet. The point of making this video is not to particularly sell this villa. What I want to do is show you the quality of Shoba, the consistency, the master plans, and their finishing. So let's stop looking at brochures and look at what Shoba actually does when they're done with their job. And this goes for Shoba Sanctuary, Shoba Abu Dhabi, for Sobha Hartland 1. It doesn't matter because they stay consistent. They do everything in-house. Let's have a look and see how it looks like. So when we walk in, we have this grand entrance. We have this beautiful living room. Have a look at the chandelier. Have a look at all these small little details like the lighting fixtures, which are beautiful. So when we come in here, we have a little restroom for your guests. Then we're going to the kitchen. So this is the beautiful kitchen. We have all Bosch appliances, stainless steel. Everything is just beautiful. Everything is just magnificent in every little corner. This is how you can set up the dining area. So let's have a look. So you have a maid's room and one guest room on the ground floor, which is perfect. So if you don't want the guests to be with your family upstairs, you keep them downstairs. The maid and the driver, you keep them downstairs also, so you feel your quality. After the show kitchen, if you have a chef and you don't want to make a mess and everything, you have this beautiful chef's kitchen, I would call it. I don't like to call them dirty kitchens. It's a chef's kitchen where a chef will come in and do your cooking, and he'll have a good time in here. So we have the maid's room right here. So she has her own bathroom also. Bathroom is here. So the washer and drying station is next to her room, next to the chef's kitchen. We are on site in Sobha Hartland 2. You can see the crescent buildings right here behind me. We can see the pool. Have a look at this beautiful pool. So the main reason for me posting this video is to show you the consistent quality of Shoba premium finishes. Because whether it's Sobha Hartland 2, whether it's the new projects such as in the Abu Dhabi and Shoba Sanctuary, the quality is the same. It's consistent. It's a top 5 developer. It's one of the best. So if you want to live in a beautiful community owned by one developer fully, which is one of the best, this video is for you. So let's have a look around. So this is your beautiful place where you can sit. Once we come in here, so this is a show villa. It's not sold yet. So look at the attention to details. Every small fixture, every small ventilation, every small lamp. So come with me and let's do a little walk around just to get the feeling. Look at how the finishing on the corners of the wall. Look at the connections in the corners. It's absolutely fantastic. Look at these closets. This is the his and hers. So you have your dressing, men's, women's. This is your master bed, where you come into your master bathroom. We have the his and hers. We have a bathtub. Just have a look at these fixtures. They're absolutely magnificent. So we have the shower separate. We have the bathtub here. We have some space over here. Then we have beautiful marble. You can just see every little corner. The details are amazing. Shoba is all about attention to detail. They are the best. So if you want something that will hold value for the long run, you definitely have to take into consideration a villa from Shoba, whether it's Sobha Hartland 1, whether it's Sobha Hartland 2, whether it's Shoba Sanctuary, whether it's Shoba Townhouses Villas in Abu Dhabi. Now, from this bedroom, we have this living space, and when you come here, look at the living room from the ground floor up. Look at that ceiling, look at that view. Show them please this beautiful chandelier. I think it looks amazing. And you have already the pool view here. So this looks magnificent. Have a look at these lighting fixtures. Just every little small corner, every little detail. So when you buy here, you're not buying a matchbox. You're buying something that is gonna be maintenance free. It's not gonna give you problems after you receive the keys and years on, because Shoba takes care of its customers. Now let's check out this bedroom. So we have plenty of closet space. Have a look at how it looks. So you never have to worry about not having enough room. If your wife likes to be like my wife and shops every day, you got space. Don't worry. So check out this bathroom also. So very large size bathroom, and again, just look at the smallest details of how everything is just perfect because of the attention to detail. Fixtures, everything. I do not see not even one blemish. Let's keep going around the house. So there's also some other people in the house, but it's okay. Even though this is a ground floor plus a first floor and a terrace, there's an elevator. And this elevator is branded by one of the best people in elevators, which you can see yourself. You probably know Otis, shown. So this is a nice quality elevator that will last for a long time. Let's go to take a look at the other bedroom. Please come. So this is the other side. This is another bedroom. And here is basically the street view towards there. Now, again, we have the magnificent space for all your belongings in every bedroom. Have a look at the fixtures, have a look at the floors, have a look at the ceilings, have a look at these corners that you could not even find one single blemish. And this is their standards. So whether it's an apartment, a one bedroom, a two bedroom, whatever location it is, this is exactly what you get. Consistency and quality. Because everything is done in-house. They do their own maintenance. They have the full circle. So the building materials, the maintenance, the plumbing, everything is mostly done by them. So you don't have to worry about subcontractors or delays in receiving these kind of beautiful villas from Shoba. Have a look at these thick doors, very heavy. See, it's not empty inside. Let's have a look upstairs. So now we're gonna go up to the terrace. So in the evenings, when it's a little more better weather, you have the opportunity to hang out in this beautiful terrace. So this is how your villa would look. You have entertainment place, family place, you have the whole city, you have the Burj Khalifa view, you have Sobha Hartland too, you have the villas being almost completed side by side, the infrastructure is done, we have the Burj Khalifa, we have the whole downtown, we have a barbecue station. So this is what you can get. So from here you can see a little lawn, so if you have kids, especially small kids, they have a place to run around, then they can jump in their pool. You got some options for making the landscaping here. So you know, if you're into that kind of stuff, you'll have enough space. So this villa, it's a 5-bed, 1 ground floor, first floor, and this beautiful terrace. So square footage wise, we're talking 8,500. You have room for everything. You have lawn for your kids to jump around. You have the pool in the background. You have a place where you can do your landscaping if that's your thing. You have this just amazing place. So just imagine if you are here for New Year's, having a party and watching the fireworks, the Burj Khalifa, and all of downtown right from the top of your villa. Let's keep going. So on this side, on the ground floor, we have the lift. So you can take it up to the first floor from the ground and to the terrace. And this is where your guests would live. Depends how much you want to keep them in the house, maybe a short time, maybe a long time. They have plenty of closet space. So if you don't have enough upstairs, there's plenty more closet space. So even from here, you have a nice view of the lawn. Kids can play over there. So over there, you have some landscaping. You can see the pool from here also. So it's very, very, for a guest room, this is huge. So have a look into the bathroom. It's also very well designed, very practical. What I like about it, nothing wastes space for no reason. So that is one of the best things about Shoba. Another thing is that after handover, while other developers, I don't want to talk bad about anyone, when things start deteriorating, you'll always be in a good position with Shoba, 100%. Most agents will tell you Shoba is a good developer. Almost none of them can tell you why. So let me actually show you. Here's what separates Shoba from the most developers in the city. Most developers are really project managers. They hire out construction, the plumbing, the joinery, the finishing, to whoever bids lowest. Shoba does it in-house. They control their own build from the concrete up. Now, why should you care? Look, I've been in this 23 years. I read balance sheets before I read brochures. And I can tell you, when a developer owns its own construction, handover delays and quality downgrades drop dramatically. You're not at the mercy of a subcontractor who ran out of money. That's not marketing, that's a structurally lower risk investment. And for the buyer putting millions on the table, structure beats a pretty render every single time. So luxury isn't about expensive materials. Luxury is about how a home feels after you've lived in it for 10 years. That's where Shoba has built the reputation, the focus on the details you don't always notice on day one, but you'll appreciate every day that you own this home. So this is one of the best top 5 developers that you can park your money, whether it's an investment, a resale, a rental, or better off. This is one of the best choices to live with your family in a community that is developed by only one developer. Look, in a comparison, Sobha Hartland 1, the starting prices at pre-launch, they were 8 million AED, the starting prices. Now, if you check online on the resale, you will find 21 million, 22 million, 23, 24, 25, 26. your money parked correctly. That is better than the bank. So always keep that in mind. So you have the full circle of everything you can possibly need from investing in Shoba, whether it's a one-bedroom apartment, whether it's a mansion, or anything in between. So you should contact me and let me give you some options, because personally, this is my favorite developer.